the mermaids promised. The following night, a sense of excitement filled the air in Coral Bay. Lily had returned from her enchanting encounter with the mermaids, her heart brimming with hope and determination. She had gathered a group of curious townspeople, including her best friend, Tim, and Finn, the eldest fisherman in Coral Bay who had once been saved by a mermaid. As the full moon cast its radiant glow once more, the group set sail on a fleet of small boats, each carrying lanterns that illuminated the waters. Lily's grandmother had insisted on coming along, her eyes twinkling with a knowing glint. Lily's boat led the way, guided by the memory of the moonlit cove from the night before. The sea was calm, and the stars above blinked like diamonds in the vast, dark sky. The anticipation among the group was palpable as they ventured further from the shore. Soon, the faint strains of the mermaids' haunting melody reached their ears. The townspeople exchanged excited glances, and Finn couldn't help but smile at the familiar tune. He had never imagined that he would return to the realm of the mermaids. As they approached the moonlit cove, the mermaids appeared once more, their silhouettes shimmering in the water. Marina, with her deep-sea eyes, greeted them with a warm smile. Lily introduced her friends and Finn to the mermaids, and the exchange of greetings was filled with curiosity and wonder. Marina explained that the mermaids had watched over Coral Bay for centuries, safeguarding its waters and its people. They had always yearned for a deeper connection with humans, but fear and misunderstanding had kept them hidden. Now, the time had come to bridge that gap. The townspeople and the mermaids sat together on the boats, sharing stories and laughter. They learned about the mermaids' deep love for the ocean, their connection to the tides, and their ability to heal wounded marine life. In return, the townspeople shared their traditions, songs, and the ways in which they relied on the sea for their livelihood. Finn, in particular, found himself reminiscing about the time he had been saved by a mermaid. He spoke of the stormy night when Marina had rescued him from certain death, and how her friendship had changed his life forever. His words carried a message of hope, a testament to the harmony that could exist between two worlds. The night wore on, and as the dawn approached, the mermaids invited the townspeople to join them in a magical dance beneath the waves. With a mixture of excitement and trepidation, Lily and her friends followed Marina and her companions into the water. Lily felt her legs transform into a tail once more, and she swam alongside her new mermaid friends. The underwater world was a symphony of colors, with coral reefs, vibrant fish, and mysterious sea creatures. The townspeople marveled at the beauty that lay beneath the surface, a world they had never known existed. As they danced in the ocean's depths, a sense of unity and belonging filled their hearts. It was a moment of profound connection, where humans and mermaids celebrated their shared love for the sea. The mermaids' enchanting songs echoed through the water, a reminder of the bond they were forging. But as the first rays of the sun broke over the horizon, signaling the end of their underwater adventure, Lily and her friends knew they had to return to the surface. With reluctant smiles, they bid farewell to their mermaid companions, promising to return soon. Back on their boats, the townspeople were filled with a sense of wonder and gratitude. They had witnessed a miracle, an intermingling of two worlds that had always remained separate. The mermaids' promise of friendship had ignited a spark of hope in their hearts. As they sailed back to Coral Bay, Finn turned to Lily and whispered, "You've done something incredible, my dear. You've brought our world, and the world of the mermaids closer than ever before. Lily smiled, her heart filled with joy. She had not only fulfilled her own childhood dream, but had also created a bridge between two worlds. The mermaids' promise of friendship had set the stage for a future where humans and mermaids would work together to protect the oceans and all its creatures. When they returned to the shore, the townspeople shared their extraordinary adventure with the rest of Coral Bay. The one secret world of the mermaids was no longer hidden, and the people of the coastal town pledged to protect the ocean and its magical inhabitants. And so, in the heart of Coral Bay, a new tradition was born. Every full moon, the townspeople would gather by the shore, their lanterns lighting up the night, as they listened to the mermaids' songs and danced beneath the stars. It was a reminder that, despite their differences, the bonds of friendship and love could overcome any obstacle. As the years passed, the connection between humans and mermaids deepened, and Coral Bay flourished with newfound harmony. Lily's grandmother, watching from the shore with a smile, knew that her stories had not only kindled the magic of the mermaids, but had also sparked the magic of unity and understanding in the hearts of her beloved townspeople. And so, the legend of Coral Bay continued to grow, a tale of mystery, heart-touching incidents, and the enduring promise of friendship between land and sea, humans and mermaids. Please subscribe for going forward, and your subscription is my inspiration. If you are not a kid, please don't dislike.